If you're looking to achieve a flatter belly without relying on exercise, there are natural ways to do so. Whether your goal is to simply improve your appearance for the beach or you want to target the intra-abdominal belly fat that's associated with metabolic syndrome and various degenerative diseases, there are steps you can take to achieve your desired results naturally. By using our secret natural recipe, it doesn't necessarily mean that exercise should be completely avoided. However, many of the exercises that are commonly recommended may not be effective in achieving a flatter belly or improving overall health. These exercises may not address the underlying mechanisms that contribute to weight gain and poor health. For example, some people may desire a six-pack or toned look, while others may want to get rid of excess weight in the midsection, which can lead to an apple shape and is often associated with insulin resistance and metabolic syndrome. This type of fat, known as intra-abdominal fat, can contribute to health issues such as high blood pressure, high cholesterol, obesity, and diabetes. Rather than focusing on exercises that may not be effective, it's important to address the underlying causes of weight gain and poor health. This may involve making dietary changes, increasing physical activity, and adopting healthy lifestyle habits. By taking a holistic approach to health and wellness, it's possible to achieve a flatter belly and improve overall health without relying solely on exercise. Today, we are excited to share with you one of our secret drinks that not only helps lose belly fat naturally, but also provides a plethora of health benefits. In this recipe, we'll be using 2 cleaned organic lemons, a ton of ginger, a stick of cinnamon, and a secret ingredient that we'll reveal at the end, so make sure you stick around. Let's get started. First, we'll need to cut out a thumb-sized ginger, scrape off the skin, and grate or mince it. If fresh ginger is not available, you can also make use of ginger powder. The next step is to cut and juice the lemons, reserving the lemon juice to be used at the end. After that, we'll cut the lemon peels into small bits, nothing fancy at all. These lemon peels will serve as the base for our fat-burning drink as they are rich in vitamins and contain lots of antioxidants that we need for this drink. Now, we'll pour about 1.5 liters of clean water into a deep pot and add the lemon peels, grated ginger, and cinnamon stick or cinnamon powder. We'll set it to a rolling boil for 20 minutes, then put out the heat and let it sit for 10 minutes to release more of the good stuff. After that, we'll strain the liquid and keep the cinnamon stick for future use. Now, it's time to add the reserved lemon juice and your sweetener of choice. But wait, there's more. I know you're eagerly waiting for the secret ingredient, so here it is, hot pepper. Yes, either chili or cayenne pepper. A little goes a long way, so add as much as you can bear. A pint is just enough for this glass cup. This drink should be consumed 1 hour before your first meal and throughout the day for hydration and best results. Try this recipe out and share your weight loss journey with us in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Cured by Earth to stay updated on natural remedy facts, and leave any natural cure-related questions in the comments section for future videos. If you found this information useful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your loved ones.